also, you guys need safety glasses for safety. So let's get started. So the first experiment is how to blow out candles with invisible gas. So for the first experiment, you need some candles, 2 empty glasses, white vinegar, and some baking soda. So let's start. So first, light up the candles. So now the candles are lit up. So the next step is to put some baking soda in the glass. Now put some vinegar in the baking soda glass. So that's how the invisible gas works. Let's move on to the next experiment. But before we move on to the next experiment, let me tell you what happened. So first we put the baking soda in the cup, and then after that we got the vinegar and then poured it in here. And then when the vinegar went into the mixture of the baking soda, it made a really cool gas mixture that could blow away the candles. So the gas blew away the candles. I think that was an awesome, interesting experiment. Let's move on to the next experiment. So for the second experiment, you will need some water to pour in the tray, a tray, some candles, and a glass. So first, light up the candles. So the second step is to pour some water in the tray. So the third step is to put the glass on top of the candles. See, the candles are lifting up. So when I put the glass on top of the candles, the internal and external pressure difference can make the water surface rise automatically. So for the third experiment, we will need a funnel, a balloon, a small empty bottle, some baking soda, and some white vinegar. So first, get the balloon and then put baking soda in the balloon with the help of the funnel. So, gonna get some baking soda. And now the baking soda is in the balloon. So we're gonna put the balloon here for now. So now pour the white vinegar into the small bottle. So now wrap the balloon on top of the bottle. Okay, so now you have to lift the balloon up. Look, it's inflating. Woo! Okay, so that was the last experiment. So let me tell you why this happened. So the balloon inflated because there was gas building up. Because if you mix baking soda with vinegar, then gas builds up and the gas went in the balloon. So that's how the balloon inflated. Hope you like all the 3 interesting science experiments. See you next time.